Welcome back, guys and girls, to DIY Projects. Howl and Hammer. Antonio here once again doing another tutorial. We are back in the truck on our way to a job. It's the beginning of the summer and everybody's pulling out those power washers, whether they be electric or gasoline. And I wanted to give some quick tips and pointers about power washing and safety and not destroying your siding. So, once you get that baby out of the garage, and you get her started, we're going to go over some things on one of my jobs today. Different types of siding. There's a lot of different types of siding, and you can really destroy your house, especially if you're looking to make some money. You're starting a business and you're power washing clients' out homes. You really can you can put holes in the siding. You can actually hurt somebody really bad with a power washer. So I'm going to go over the different types of tips that you guys want to use, and the different types of siding that everybody is generally cleaning out there. So hang tight, we're on our way there. We'll see you when we get there. Soffits on the house where I don't have to get on a ladder too much. So there's different types of tips that you can use. This is a red tip. This tip is great for hitting soffits. It shoots a really small jet stream, which is nice because it gives you a lot of power to hit we got the garbage truck coming. Hang tight. It figures, right? That's just the way it is. Okay, where were we before we were rudely interrupted? So this is a red tip. This is a jet stream for shooting the soffits. Then you got a yellow tip, which has more of a fan of a spray. It's not as good to hit the soffits. Then I use the green quite a bit. The green is awesome for hitting the siding, vinyl siding or cedar siding. Gives you a nice fan. It's great for doing driveways and cement. If we're doing a nice area, maybe a foot wide, so it has a nice fan spray. Then you have a white tip, which is even more of a fan spray for maybe washing your car or something like that. So that kind of gives you a general idea, what the tips are used for. So you have a stucco siding, which is this right here. It's more of a cement based. That, you don't have to be too careful with. It's pretty hard. But the vinyl siding generally you want to be careful with. You can blow the siding right off the house. You hit those seams and you can run the water can spray right underneath the siding seams. So you kind of got to be careful. Use a green tip. When you're hitting cedar siding, that you really want to be careful with, because the cedar siding you can score with the tips. If you use something too pointy like this yellow tip, or even the green fan spray tip, you can really score the siding and put little lines in it. So you really got to be careful with the cedar siding. Aluminum siding as well, because if it's an older style aluminum siding, the paint is really faded, and if you put cleaners on it, the cleaner's going to take the paint right off. Depending upon how old it is. I've seen some homes where you want to do a test spot in the back of the house somewhere if you're using a cleaner. So just be careful with the pressure that you're using with the power washer. Start with a low pressure and see how that's cleaning. And if you're using a cleaner, spray it on and clean it right off to make sure that it doesn't take the paint off. So like I said, you don't want to stand too close to the house when you're spraying, because then you're going to have more pressure and power, and you could blow a hole through your cedar siding. And the vinyl, like I said, with the vinyl siding, the most important is you don't want to blow the siding off the house, because you can do that. They're pretty strong. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for joining my channel. Hit the subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the little bell on there so you can get all my videos. And enjoy your summer, and don't Don't ruin anybody's house because you could end up losing all your profit. All right, guys, thumbs up. We'll see you soon.